And here is the KULUNER TP-01 thermometer, digital thermometer. And check this out, we've got it sticking out right now. You can see the temperature will start changing. I guess I am 87, 88, 89 degrees, 90 degrees. But this is great because this folds up and you can just put this right in your drawer, right in your cabinet. It also has a gauge right here, or I guess a index here. Poultry 165, ground meat 160, and then all 155, 145, red meat down to 130 degrees. But just when you're ready to use it, you just flip this out just like this. Let's see if I can do this with one hand, and there you go. It will start calculating. Let's see if we can touch the countertop. It starts going down, but I can put my hand on it and you can see it start to go up. But a max and min hold, you got Celsius and Fahrenheit as well. Also on the back of this package, it will tell you apply the heat chart and the same things as what's on the front of the tool itself, the thermometer itself. But this is a great thermometer, great to have in any kitchen when you are cooking your meats to perfection. Can highly recommend, definitely grab one of these.